And it's not Jean.
No.
Might it be VB?
I think we did. We saw the wedding right here in Fox 25.
We did.
Yeah.
There he is.
We want to talk a little bit more about a growing tiff between the mayor of New York and Al Roker, the well-known weatherman. They had a little nasty exchange where Al, he took issue with the mayor not canceling school, and then the mayor defended himself. And then Al, VB, he really took a shot back. Long-range forecast, one term when he's talking about the new mayor. I thought that was like, wow, okay.
Whoa.
Gold. I love when elected officials and meteorologists get after it. Remember Menino doing that a few years ago. And
well, Shiri, he mentioned that he got his totals from the National Weather Service that said 3 inches, and then it was really 7. So what? Explain some of that.
Here's the thing. It moved in a little earlier. Even for us, it started earlier. I initially thought it was going to start at 7. It started like 4 a.m.-ish, initially light for us, but it got heavy there fast. And the thing is, we give those numbers as a guideline. A solid number is just not. You got to keep in mind a range. You got to have some flexibility. We can't nail it down to like, it is going to start at 7:02. It doesn't work like that, and you have to look at the forecast. Say it starts a little earlier, then adjust. You have to have some flexibility there, and you've got to err on the side of safety as well. I think in my town today, it should have been a delay. It's a cancellation, but that's okay. I mean, I guess the towns know better how long it's going to take to clean up, but you got to be flexible, and you got to use common sense.
You know, I find yoga can make it a little more flexible.
I can tell you this, my brother...
So it can be a weathercaster.
My brother lives in Virginia, and they're having huge issues with how many cancellations they've already had, and they didn't want to.
Yeah, and you know, I think people tend to forget too. You're meteorologists. You're using so many different forecasting models and tools. You can't. You're not a predictor, a soothsayer. You can't predict exactly what's going to happen. You guys work so hard, and you do your best.
I like the one when you figure it out where you throw the thing at the dartboard. You know, that one's really cool.
Oh yes, I practice that daily. You know, it's a tricky science, and I mean, Boston ended up with the 3-inch snowfall range yesterday, but Arlington, I think, got 10. I mean, if you're looking,
and Boston was messy yesterday.
But the New York City mayor's not just moved into town. He should know how it works there.
Yeah, you can't wish the forecast. You got to use common sense, and if it's moving in faster, it's coming in heavier. You got to adjust.
And maybe he wasn't listening to.
Here's the good news, Shiri. Here's the good news for Shiri and the like. You didn't quite nail it on Boston, so they're ripping you. Up where I live in Boxford, you nailed it dead on, and I was ripping you. So no matter what happens with you, we're ripping you, and you know it's coming.
We kind of do.
But Boston, yeah, you guys did. I mean, I was in Boston yesterday afternoon, and it was coming down pretty hard. I actually moved my car into the garage because I I got that, you know. So, but you were right. You said 3 to 6. It really did pile up.
3-inch range.
Didn't have a space saver for the street, did you? No? Have anything you put in there?
I didn't have my lawn chair out there and my cones.
MyFoxBoston.com, Facebook, Twitter, if you'd like to weigh in on our conversation. We'd love to hear from you, of course.
All right, and we will be right back after this break.
Heading up to the soap somewhere this weekend. You're going to be glad you did because the conditions are great.
You're torturing me. You know I work weekend nights. I'm going to be here.
You can make it to the show about. Go skiing.
I could do a quick, you know, go.
But it's not going to extend your hours. It's going to happen when you're already going to be at work anyways. How does that sound?
Oh, the new snow that we're talking about.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to go skiing eventually, but yeah, we have another round coming in tomorrow, so is it going to be...
Yeah, the coast is going to get it this time. I think the Cape, or maybe we got more, definitely got more. So it's the Cape and the coast that see the brunt of this next upcoming storm. Let's check out where we stand returning to that freezing point. So out goes Storm A, in comes Storm B. This one's the one that we're going to be watching over the weekend, and high pressure to our south is actually going to be guiding that back towards the coast. Then it takes a trip up the coast and it spills the snow into the region by noontime-ish tomorrow. So we'll take you through that in just a second. But first up here, this last wave of snow, we could maybe see some of these snow showers that are now rotating through areas like Syracuse, New York. There's a possibility as this thing pulls away that we might get nicked by this, perhaps western or central Massachusetts or southwestern New Hampshire. But overall, snow showers fading away. By the time we get into the afternoon, it's going to be partly sunny. It's going to be dry, just some lingering snow showers over the Berkshires. And then evening plans, which is perfect because it's Valentine's Day. looking great. It is going to be windy. I'll warn you now. It's going to be windy out there, but it's going to be dry tonight. So we pick up a fresh coating of snow in the Boston area, maybe a couple of inches of snow here out towards the hills, and even more in northwestern Massachusetts, just because tapped into snow longest there. Now it's going to be windy today. We've got wind advisories and high wind warnings in effect. The lighter shades denotes where we could see gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. And then for the Cape and the Islands, we could see gusts as high as 60 miles per hour. So whipping winds today, possibly damaging winds as well. So there is a potential for some tree limbs to come down, knock out the power lines. Scattered power outage is something we're going to watch. Here it comes. It gets heavier as we get into the afternoon. After 5 p.m. tomorrow, it turns heavy. Any kind of mixing across southeastern Mass will eventually get replaced by snow showers there, but the snow showers will fade away.
All right, we're back here at 9 o'clock hour on a Friday. We've made it. Congratulations, everybody. We got a weekend. It is Valentine's Day on top of that, so there'll be a lot of romance in the air, not only today, but through the weekend, probably.
Yes, there will. Valentine's, especially if people are going to be snowed in with more snow.
Team
Maybe not
shoveling.
snowed in, but
Shoveling with your loved one. Yeah, so we're kind of watching this one system wind down, and then we've got another one that moves in here for tomorrow.
Fantastic.
But in the meantime, you know what? Valentine's 60 miles per hour. Here we go with another band of snow moving through the Worcester area. This is going to pivot out towards the east, probably reaching Boston here within the hour. We've got 34 degrees in the city, so it can fall as snow. It's just not going to stick very well. Our whole system is pulling away, and as it does, you're going to notice this massive snow shifting northeastward, and a lot of it kind of fizzling out as it goes. That doesn't mean we're not going to see maybe one more band of snow pass through, but we will tend to dry out, and by this evening, it's going to be dry. It's going to be dry, but it's going to be windy out there. Then we get system number 2 moving in, first with clouds here on Saturday morning. I expect the snow's going to move in between 10 and 2, initially light, but look how much heavier it gets after 5 p.m. So most of your snow is going to accumulate overnight, and any kind of mixing across the Cape.
Topics we're going to dig into here on this Friday morning. And of course, there are 2 local guys who became Hollywood A-listers, Matt Damon and Ben. And they're both accounted for, but you could still win a date with them for charity. Here's what they're putting out there.
why not? I think any guy
Absolutely.
would.
I think anyone from Massachusetts would probably.
Oh, yeah. I totally would.
But they're fun
Who wouldn't wanna
guys.
hang out
They're
with
into
them, period?
sports. They know their sports
Yep.
well. They're Boston area sports fans. It'd be
Exactly.
great.
That'd be a fun time.
Who wouldn't want to do that?
And it's kind of funny, they didn't bother to shave for it. I wonder if that was part of the drama, but it won't. It won't.
That's
To
where
hang
you go
out
to
with Ben
visit.
and Matt. That's so
Back
funny.
with a DVR and freeze that, and you get that that website. Well, there's an interesting story. I don't know if it's not a feud, but Drake very mad at Rolling Stone now because of this. How dare they? And people are like, are you kidding me? I mean, this happens a lot where if something big breaks and it's a big star who passed away, like we had with Philip Seymour Hoffman, it's a logical thing to do.
Exactly.
And people look at him going, most people are saying,
because it makes him seem egotistical.
A
because
little bit.
I think it almost harms your image with the public. If you lash out like that, and they've made a change because of breaking news, and you're lashing out saying, oh, it's not fair, I was supposed to be on the cover. It makes you seem like you have a huge ego.
Yeah.
Plus, I mean, what's to say they would just use it the following month? I mean,
Well, exactly.
get
I
a
mean,
grip.
it's
I don't know. It's like, okay, if you have that attitude,
Same. Well,
forget
I
about
would.
it, you know?
Like
I
the
don't know.
parent. Like, well, if you're going to be like that, I'm going to take it away from you.
Yeah, I mean, if you don't, you know.
But you're so good at it.
I would personally rather, if I was in a relationship, have some on Valentine's Day, something like that, than just the traditional.
something
you know,
that's
I guess
very
that's
thoughtful.
yeah, the thought. I love it. It's just the thought behind it. It's very
Yeah,
sweet.
you can't do Valentine's Day a year.
No, you have to do it
That's
all the
right.
time. Yeah,
My
exactly.
philosophy.
That's
exactly.
right. And Gene, he's pretty much Dr. Love, so he would know.
Though some have questioned the doctorate, we'll just
Well,
accept
you know,
it
that's
for today.
That's fine. We can let it slide.
You can reach us at myfoxboston.com, Facebook, and Twitter if you'd like to weigh in. Joy, let's get it back to you.
Okay. Whether you are celebrating with a loved one or spending the night with your girlfriends, love.
At the calendar and just crossing off the days left until we're in spring and this weather turns around. But it is a tough
been a long
draw those X's because every day there's snow. And it's just like, come on.
Well,
we get a break
and
here.
the reason that it feels so exhausting is because, I mean, a week ago we had already met with her as far as snowfall goes. We already had that in Boston. So we're just kind of 2 to 5 further inland, and it's going to fade into only a coating in western Mass. Then, of course, we've got to watch Tuesday because there'll be more rain and snow. Over to you.
All right, thank you, Shiri.
I am. That's where I fell in love with, that's actually where I fell in love with environmental science. Good job, guys. You got me started on this path.
That is awesome. Now, do you have a prediction for where we are right now, 100% that it is snowing right now, Shiri?
I 100% predict that it snowed last night. And that you probably have a couple flurries.
Which one of you going to be a meteorologist 20 years from now. Guys are like that one, Lily. None of these guys are going into meteorology. It takes a weird spirit.
They will miss it.
And before you get to that, Team Champagne Rod, we were talking about Drake on the cover of Rolling Stone. And he says, I think it was more about the promotion Drake did for him to be cut out without knowing. It seems like Rolling Stone used him a little bit as far as that. Still some of his from there.
Okay.
Showing. So
that's
but at the same time, you know, extraordinary circumstances there with the passing of a Academy Award winner and a
put him on the
Hollywood
cover.
legend and
well,
dying.
Exactly. It's hard to sometimes imagine.
So.
Thinking in that mindset of Drake, that I'm so important that I should be.
Well, I just wanted to, I was supposed to be on People's Most Amazing People and magazine cover. I got bumped.
So
Did you see me throwing a tantrum?
I know, right? I got bumped from the Sports Illustrated, and I was like, it's fine.
Nonetheless.
It happens.
Hey guys.
Well, it's because I've been eating too many donuts. Shiri.
No, you haven't. What is sweeter? Dun 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 dun.
Well,
a
what do you
donut
got there?
on a day like so Dunkin' Donuts actually sent these over. Is the new cookie donut. And this is the new brownie batter donut. Heart shape.
Can you grab one?
Yeah, well, no, I could do better than that. I can bring them over to you.
And it's snowing behind Shiri outside.
I'm actually going to swing over here to see Chris first. Because he's working hard behind the cameras. He is grabbing brownie batter one.
Oh my gosh. How did you choose cookie dough and brownie bite?
Did you guys know I used to work at Dunkin'?
No!
I did. I used to get there early and like dip them in the chocolate. You did. But I used to do like both sides, and it would be a mess.
This is heart candy.
Melissa,
brownie batter or cookie dough? I don't do cookie dough. Let's try it. Austin.
By the way, enjoy these. Our man Freddy turned Freddy, even though he's not an intern anymore. We like all the runs he takes. He takes that GoPro and he heads on down the mountain every single time. And here he is again today on his way. And we're not sure. He's had a couple of mishaps in previous runs at this, so we'll see if he can make it through this cleanly or not.
Let's hear it again.
Give the poor girl a break. She's just the messenger, right?
It never ends, you guys. Yeah, we've got more snow coming in. At least what we have for today is awesome, Shiri. We love you.
I'll be here Saturday. We'll be here, the crew and Sarah Robleski, holding down the fort and letting folks know what's going on. Yeah, exactly.
All right.
Hey, thanks for having me, guys. It was fun.
Very nice. We appreciate you having you. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. We'll see you back here bright and early Monday morning starting at 4 a.m.